Now, the most desired outcome is when we get a yes from a prospective follow-up. So here's what happens, right? We lead them down. They're very excited. They want to talk with, the one who sent the screencast out, or the owner. So now what we need to do is we need to take down notes, obviously, of what they love the most about it, so that the one who actually speak with them on the deep dive can understand what's going on. So then after that, we got to go to appointments, right? Because we're going to now create an appointment for them, and it's going to load up who they are. Might take a second, but we're not going to hit deep dive. We're going to go to discovery call, because then it'll help us move them around. It will default their time. Don't worry about that. So whatever time we put in here, as long as it's good for me. And then obviously these are custom dates. So if there are standard dates, well, we want to use the custom ones because then you can block out what's going on. So Saturday, Sunday can't be used, stuff like that. You can't use the same day as between specific times, but you're just going to pick one of them. If it's open, then don't worry about it. Give the owner some time. Obviously, this is Monday, so I can pick 9:15 Monday. Whatever appointment title is, discovery call, with Bob, or this guy's name is Hussein. And then you're just going to hit book appointment. I'm not going to hit book appointment for, a very specific reason, because I don't actually want to book one right now. But that is how you would go about that.